Hi everybody, and welcome to Next Time React. Today I'm gonna react to a new series called Ultra Fast Pony. I wanted to talk fast because of Ultra Fast Pony because I'm reacting to his. Hi everybody! Again, hi everybody. Like I just said, I'm gonna start a new series called Ultra Fast Pony. It's been requested a lot, even though it came under the radar because I didn't see the votes. I've seen that sometimes people were like, do a reaction to Ultra Fast Pony, and was okay, but I never seen the thumbs up on those comments, so I'm sorry for that. And I'm sorry too because of the time it took me to do to post this video and stuff, because I won't go in detail, but that was kind of fucked up week because every time I wanted to do the reaction, the recording, there was something, a phone call, whatever, that encounter time, you know, something that so I could not do the record right now. So I'm okay now. So yay. Okay, I was watching the phone and it was like, don't ring. Anyway, let's move on. Ultra Fast Pony. What do you expect? I don't know. I really don't know. It's called Ultra Fast Pony, so but maybe it will talk about a ponies, a Flash, the Flash version ponies or stuff like that. I don't know. So instead of talking to say nothing, let's start this video. Like Pinkie Pie said, enough chit chat, time is candy, and they start this video. 3, 2, 1.
Ultra Fast Pony. Meanwhile, in Equestria. Aw, yeah. According to this book I'm reading, the world is going to end soon. I think that might be bad.
Duh!
Such a good thing I was reading that book. Imagine if I was reading any other book in the world. Such a good thing I just happened decided to read that book. So important. Spike! Da? Tell Celestia I can't make the tea party. I'm going to Ponyville to save the world, and everyone will love me. It shall be so. We need to prepare. It could get ugly down there. Did a book called The Elements of Harmony show up in the mail yet? The book that holds the key to our success? The one thing that is needed to prevent the entire destruction of the world? I am so sorry about your book, my master. That isn't good enough, Spike. Why is everything always your fault? I am a failure. Pony, go to the library and prepare my coming. I require the feast. Oh yeah, brew! This farm smells like pony droppings. Well, it'll smell a lot worse when I bury you under it. What? No, nothing. We're just a normal family. No need to get the law involved. We sell apples. We sell apples. Is this your harem? No. Today we're celebrating Apple Bloom's initiation into the family. I got it up a pig. That there pony's our leader, Granny Smith.
What?
And over there's Big Mac. Yar. It is.
Yar.
And I've seen him break a pony in half, so I'm not about to tell him otherwise. Are you like the mob? Why don't you have an apple, Twilight? And don't even think about telling the law. I will cut your nuts off. Get out of my way. Damn it. I totally ruined your hair, and I'm not even going to apologize. Truly, yours is the most evil of evils in all of Equestria. OMC, I totally hate you, but secretly I don't, but really I hate you.
What?
Later, loser. Spike, we have a new mission. I'm going to take that pony down. But what about the ends of the world? Oh, you bet I'm going to end her world. You there, simpleton. Tell me about the pony whose name is probably Rainbow Dan. I require her deepest secrets so that I can rue her day. That doesn't even... What? Oh, mate, you look like roadkill. Screw you, I'm fabulous. Fashion montage. Do you have anything good for stealth missions? Mate, I got just the thing. Check this out.
Check this out.
Is that a gimp suit? It might be. Do you like it? I'll take that as a no. I'm going to need a Pegasus if I want revenge. You there, tell me everything you know about Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash is my friend.
Damn it.
You can call me Fluttershy, 'cause I'm so shy.
You're annoying.
Snoop Dogg.
Get out. Now what is all this? Oh yeah. It's me, Brew. Remember, Brew? You said you wanted that feast, so I made one.
Brew?
It's gonna be better than Celestia's 111th
I thought
birthday. I tell you,
I thought you said Jew.
Master, weren't we supposed to be doing something very important?
No.
Hello everybody and welcome to the festivities of my native people. I thank you all for coming and for not running against me as mayor again. Especially after my last opposition was found dead in that river. We may never know how he got there.
You suck.
Yes, well, you're a cow.
What is happening?
No. What is that?
Sand. Damn it, I knew I forgot something. Why didn't Spike remind me?
I will ruin you all.
Oh no, it's Sauron.
Like OMC, stop grabbing my tail. I hate
Like
that.
OMC.
I can't believe it. After 1,000 years. Night Moon Mare. What do you want, you
Night Moon.
villain?
I will rend your bones from your flesh.
I think she's evil. She's evil, right, Brew?
No, yes, Simpson.
Sand. Stop saying sand.
Balls to you, I'll say what I want. I could kill you all now, but I'll run away.
Don't worry, I have a plan. Damn it!
Sand.
My brain is trying to understand what I just saw. What? Okay, that was hilarious with the voice acting. Especially the majority were girls and guy voice. Oh, and this some part I was with the accent. I was that thing in my mind. You know, the little guy that screamed, "That's racist!" If I find it, I will show you.
That's racist! That's racist!
Oh my god. Oh, that was funny. But why ultra fast pony? I should not ask that kind of question. Okay. That was good. That was good, but I will say that with all the that was kind of the hard photo for me, especially because yeah, that was some joke and stuff. I was like, what is happening? What? The Rainbow Dash one was really funny. Oh, IMC. I should stop doing this because. Oh my god, this is so freaking wrong for me to do that kind of stuff. Seriously, I really don't know what to say, because even though it was at the same time it was simple, it was at the same time that was good, that was funny, but there was a lot of I don't know, I kind of find that hard to follow a bit and with what's happening, because it was ultra fast. Okay, I should really shut up right now and we end the video. So thanks for watching and see you next time.